Hello, and welcome to today's session on how to use your user portal in Magnet Voice. Once you have logged onto the system using the information in the information pack, you'll be presented with this screen. This is your phone book screen. It shows all the numbers and internal users that are currently on your phone book. To change the view of this phone book, you can simply click on these options above. You can click User for all internal users, Common for all common numbers, and Personal for any personal contact details. You can also choose to search by contact name or contact number. The next screen is Internal Users. This allows you to see all users that are currently on the system. It allows you to ring these or see whether or not they are active. It shows you the ability to chat or if they are not connected. You also have an ability to favorite or unfavorite these. The next screen is Voicemail. Here you can see the voice messages and recorded calls. With voicemails, you will be able to call the number or add it as a new contact to your existing phone book. You will also have the option to download, play, or delete the voice message. It will give you the time and the date here, the number that is called, and a name if it's available. It will also give you a duration and the status of the voicemail. Below that is recorded calls. Here you can choose to dial the number rung and add it to a new personal contact, download it, play it, or delete. It also gives you the date and time of this recorded call, the number of the call recorded, a name if available, the duration and the status of the recorded call. The next screen is Call Log. Here you will be able to see all calls that have been made on the system, whether they be missed, outgoing, answered calls. You will show you the date, the number, the name if available, and if it was an internal user. You can change the view of the menu by either choosing missed calls, outgoing calls, or answered calls, or all calls. The next screen is Call Forwarding. All call forwarding is disabled by default. To change this, simply click on the drop-down menu and choose what you want your calls to forward to. You can choose to disable a recent number, a user or group, a specific contact, an external user, an auto-attended messenger, or a voicemail. To forward calls to a user, simply click on User and then select the user that you wish the calls to be forwarded to. You can also choose to forward all calls, forward calls and no answer, forward calls when the phone is busy, or forward calls on no registration. No registration means that when your PBX is not active on the system, it will be forwarded. You can forward this to an external number so people will be able to contact you. The next screen is Phone Volume. It pretty much speaks for itself. Here you can choose how loud or how quiet the ringer is, the voice is, the headset, or the overall volume. The next screen is System Settings. Here it is simply just a click to enable or a click to disable various system settings. To enable voicemail forwarding, simply click, and when the button turns green, it is active. The next screen is Function Keys. This allows you to set specific function keys on your soft phone. This is a representation of the soft phone currently on your desktop. To set a function of a specific key, simply click it and choose whether you want to have it as a contact, a user, a group forward, trunk, agent login, logout, or trunk access key. To choose user, simply click and then choose the user that you wish to take that button. The final screen is video rooms. Here you can create a video room with a video room name and a password. You can also choose to join a video room if there is any in use. Here you can make reservations for the specific Meet Me conference rooms that have been already set up in the previous videos. You can choose a start time, the duration of it, and if you wish to repeat it. Below this you can see current reservations that are on the system. Finally, you have this sidebar, which allows you to see all calls that are coming into the system currently. It can give you active calls of people who are currently taking a call on the system. It gives you the option to take up a parked call or park a call. And it also gives you the option to pick up a call from another user in your system. And that is how you use the Magnet Portal.